I'm gonna cut down the facing. I always make it bigger than what I need to, but anyways, the main part of this facing is so we can have a collar in the center of the dress to hem the top of the dress, so I'm gonna remove quite a lot. We're going to make the facing up until right under the bust line, so roughly here. This is the waist, so we're going to remove that much, the amount between under your bust and center. I will sew down the sides only, around the top and back to the sides, still leaving this open so you'll be able to put your hand all the way through it. I'm gonna now sew this and then show you the finished product when I'm done. I'm gonna poke out where every corner should be. So this is the back, this is the top of your bib, and this is gonna fold it over. There's like a slight curve here because this is the join of front and back, and this is the underarm onto the center back here, and it needs to keep this curve when the fabric is folded over so it's not bulky. And to iron this, the technique you can, like, I'm going to show you anyway, but anyways, you can make these slits, and once you turn it over, it just makes the fabric a bit more easier to lay flat. Hopefully you can see the difference. I've now put these out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is the nice curve. Okay, so the next stage, we're gonna, we've finished the half lining, up the top of the dress. We're gonna focus on the center front. As I'm talking along here, and then the Magosha dress is basically done. I'm gonna focus on the skirt.